Hey traders, welcome to another trade of the day. And look, the number one thing to trade is catalyst, right? You need to have a reason to be into a name. Today, NIO, we got some Chinese EV monthly sales data come through and NIO beat. So we instantly were automatically looking for longs. But the problem with NIO is we've been doing this for too long to understand that it has crazy moves off the open, included on market on open imbalances and whatnot. So what I was trying to do was not take a break early, but look for a level that actually made a little bit of sense. So as we can see here for NIO, and again, look where we open up today. We open up around this $17 mark, actually $17.40. If we check out, this is 929, so 930. Look at the levels that we're at right here, right? You're at 1760. Let me step to this side. So now we're out here around 1760, some of these bottoms. When you look over here on a 20-minute chart, you're kind of stuck in the middle that we've already visited this area. We have some support from yesterday around that 1740 area. But for me, my initial thought here on the sticky note was that if we got to pull back in to this area, that's where we wanted to buy it. And again, why are we looking long? It had nothing to do with the NASDAQ or anything like that. We're looking long because of the May sales data beat. So we already knew we went long. We wanted to go long. So we were looking for an area, and I just thought into here 17 was pretty good. All right, but unfortunately, as the market opens up, we don't get that typical NIO dip. I was actually waiting at 17.25. The lowest it goes is just shy of 17.50. So maybe 17.40, something like that. So missed the long, but that's okay. And then we just sort of let it go, right? But look what happens right away. It just shoots up. And then after 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes or so, it finally rips up to this 18 level. Normally we don't like breakouts, but again, if you look back and where we found it was right here on the 20-minute. You can see the line going right back. It's actually the high from the 19th. So we were bouncing around that level, boom, we got it. And as soon as that happened, then it was off to the races. So there's our fill right there. It's the same line extended onto both charts. This is a 1-minute chart. Forget about VWAP, forget about everything else, okay? Boom, to the upside. Here we go. So it comes in, and then we just start taking it out. 18, 20, I mean, right into here. The problem was when we get it, it actually comes back down and retests like 1780 into VWAP. We were going to get out if it came back into this area, so it wasn't too big of a problem. Then all the way to the upside, these are small outs. Then we really start getting some out at 1820, 1830. To the upside, comes out 1850, we're all out. We missed this move to the upside. That's really where Brendan started this segment by saying maybe we can get better. I think that's what we need to do next time. We need to wait and hold on to something in case we get that upsize move. But again, if you look back here, 18 had already been the top. So we took more shares than we're comfortable with in order to do this. So it's always about like, plan your trade, you know, and then trade your plan. So once I'm in it, I'm taking more shares and getting out. Then we had it pull back down, boom. We noticed this 18 long. We start taking, I mean, we found a level again. So we take some longs into that. We should have reloaded there. More stuff was happening, but that could have been a reload there against 18. And again, use this same 18 level, right? We take the long out, 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 out. Don't get out at the max again, waiting for that. Comes back in, hold one last piece until we finally break down through 18. So NIO for me was a great trade. And the reason why, it's one entry. So we knew, I mean, forget about this, but we knew that we wanted to get 18 long. Why? Because we had this level there. Another reason why, we had some consolidation yesterday. Yesterday was just an inside day. Everything traded inside. You have like one little dip down there. Don't know what that was about. Maybe that's wrong, but back and forth inside day. Then today we explode past this inside day and make that new high. So again, $19, a big level again. So we can check that out tomorrow if we get going, but it's the same thing as that 18. You got to be patient. I use more shares, take it out quickly. It was a good trade for me. It's NIO, and it's your trade of the day.